Welcome back to the channel. Well, on one of my recent trips, the boys were using my 900 LP to, let's see, they were planting oats or whatever. Well, they quit on them and they thought it ran out of fuel, so I put some more fuel in it and tried to start it, and no start. So I'm wondering if I'm pretty sure we don't have spark. So anyways, I put fuel in it, we even pulled it, and nothing. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the points of condensers real quick. I found the points, but that didn't do any good. I went and picked up another set of points. I had a condenser here already, and then yeah, we'll try that out. This is a really handy tractor as well. This tractor's been one of my more reliable tractors, for sure. But it is what it is. Here, I'll bring you a little closer. So I only have a few minutes today. I'm actually on vacation. I'm getting ready to head down to Indiana to Beck's Seed Corn Days, or whatever they call it there, their annual show-off meeting, whatever you want to call it. So should be a good time had by all, right? So okay, I did file, like I said, I did file the points off, and well, you can see where that got me. So all right, you know what I didn't grab? I didn't grab a pair of pliers or my ignition switch. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Put that over there out of the way. Oh, man. Okay, there's that. Oh, I didn't check for spark, but what could it be, right? So we'll just change this out. Put that there. Put this up here. Hopefully I don't lose it. So, okay. Actually, I think I'm going to turn, well, we can take this out first, but I'm going to have to turn that motor, get that to the high spot. These are a little bit different than their other 4-cylinders. The 4-cylinders normally have 2 spots for a screw, one with the screw that say you tighten it down, and the other one is the concentric screw so you can do your adjustment, where this one has a stud on the back side that fits in that little hole, and that's where it pivots, and you just adjust it where you are, then tighten it down. So 2290, 2240, DR 2240 is the points for these. Those points actually didn't look all that bad, but what do I know? Okay. Like I say, I filed them off the other day. I'm just getting back to this. I've been busy. Last weekend, which in this video I'll post my cultivator there that I bought at that auction sale, which I said I was going to. So, or not going to, but I said I was going to watch them. Yeah, I did more than watch, I guess. But all right, I don't know if I can get in there to turn the motor over or not. If I can do it with my hands. Yeah, I can. All right. Sorry, my arm's in the way, but that's what you're gonna have. So, okay, gotta go a little bit more. Right there. Okay. Well, they say just about a business card thickness in there. That's about what we got there. Yeah, let's check these points out here. Got a little bit of burn on there. All right. This tractor needs a bath as well. Mud daubers on the... Didn't know we had them things around here much. But this tractor, yeah, like I say, this tractor needs a bath too. Luckily, I've got that power washer working like I want. So, all right. Well, we know that goes on there. Okay, let's put the condenser on. Normally we always reuse the clamp, the original clamp, but this one might fit on here. Maybe. It's in there backwards. We'll turn it around. All right, stick down there. Hopefully this is a couple minute fix here, so I can get this off the lawn. Might make the missus happy for a minute. So, all right. Oh, that's not tight enough. Okay. There we go. It's a nice day out, that's for sure, at the minute. We haven't had rain for a couple days. That's something. Today is Wednesday. I think it's the 21st of August. Yep, 21st of August. So I've got today and tomorrow off to go to that show. So, all right. Well, let's turn the this out there. I'll have to turn the gas on. All right, well, this tractor, you got to have the clutch down. It's got a the clutch switch right there. You know, neutral safety. Not so much neutral, but you know, clutch safety switch. So, all right, get a little bit of throttle. Oh, come on, baby. Well, that's not like this one. Well, I can hear gas going through it here. I can smell gas. That is not like this tractor to not start. Well, gonna have to do some more investigating. I don't have a lot of extra time today, but you know, did the coil go bad? Is there... But I thought I had power everywhere where I needed it. I can hear the LP moving in there. You know, did my coil go bad? I wonder. I can change that real quick. Okay, well, I threw a different coil on it. Let's see if it helps. At least we got a fire that time. But now we don't have battery. Okay. Oh, maybe we got a fuel problem. Because she fired. Okay. Well, let's do some investigating. Don't have a whole lot more time, but I can hear it coming in. There we go. Let's see if that did the trick. Need more battery. Oh, you dirty dog. I wonder if my filter plugged. Okay, well, it's a few days later. This was Wednesday morning. I was working on my 900 LP here. Well, I had to leave to go to Indiana to Technology Days. Holy cow, that they put on a show down there. I filmed a little bit of stuff down there. I'll show you it in a future video, but I don't know, it was just a lot of people, and sometimes I don't like to film when there's a lot of people around. I did film a little bit of the museum there. There's an old farm hall and a bunch of pictures and history. That's just kind of neat stuff too that, you know, I'll share sometime. But those people put on a show, let me tell you. You know, a lot of work goes into that, making that show happen. So that was cool. So I was, you know, working on this tractor, and I was in kind of a hurry. I shouldn't say a hurry, but I was trying to get it running. And actually I did get it running, but it's surging, which tells me now, actually, did I even show you? I did keep it. So I was looking at stuff, and in my air cleaner was this bird nest. In the pre-cleaner, I should say. So I took the hood off and took all that apart and cleaned it. Luckily the air filter did its job, and there was like little pieces of pine tree, not needles, but you know how the whole, well, anyways, you get me, stuff, there's a bunch of stuff in there. Birds did not do me any favors, for sure. So anyways, I got that all done, and I pulled this hose off too to check, make sure I had flow. I do have flow coming through here as an LP, so I think there's either gunk in here in the carburetor or something else. I did get it running, but like I said, it was surging, which tells me that the mixture is off. So I was like I say, this is actually Friday night. I was gonna see if I can get this thing started again. I had to use a jump this thing. Oh, I gotta go the other side. This is one of the few tractors that there's got a neutral safety switch on it, which is on the clutch pedal on this one. But We'll see if she even starts. If not, I might have to tear apart that carburetor. But I got the setting correctly. I did that off camera. I turned this back to where I thought it should be. So my reliable tractor is back to being reliable, so good news. I'm gonna relocate this somewhere else, but yeah, those little twigs, that was all over in the pipe and everything there. But oh well, I learned something, or not learned something, but good news. My buddy Brad was texting me there. He's the one that bought that green G1355 at that auction sale. That was last weekend. She's a runner. First though, I'm gonna fix the hood. Get this tractor out of the front yard, maybe the missus will be a little happier for a minute. Alright. Well, cool. So, I'm going to take this thing for a little spin, but then move on to something else to fix this weekend. I am going to a tractor show tomorrow that is featuring Minneapolis Moline. I think Oliver and Cockshut, so I'll take you along because that's important. For the channel. So, but hey, I appreciate y'all watching. I'm hoping this video, I don't know if it's all going to be about this tractor. I've got a couple short things I've been working on too that I can add on to here. So hey, I appreciate watching. We'll see you next time.